Montessori math materials are beautiful, precise, and intentionally designed, but they can be very expensive. Are you wondering what Montessori math materials are essential for your child? Well, I've got you covered, because in this video, I will tell you 10 key Montessori math materials that I think are worth purchasing. Stick around until the end for the most important item on the list. 1. The number rods. The red and blue number rods help children learn to count to 10 and are introduced to a child as a concrete introduction to a fixed quantity. The child is shown how to order them based on size. This isolates the concept. The simplicity of the material, combined with the fact that the quantities are not able to be taken apart, like with snap cubes, also serves as a control of error. 2. The sandpaper numbers. The tactile sandpaper numbers introduce the child to the written symbols that represent each quantity from 0 to 9. The child is shown how to trace the number with 2 fingers as they are told the name. Once the child has had a chance to explore the number rods and sandpaper numerals in isolation, they can then be combined by showing the child how to match the rods to the written symbol. 3. The spindle box. The spindle box is the next Montessori math material in a series designed to teach children to count to 10. While the number rods are a fixed quantity that are matched with the loose sandpaper numbers, the spindle box presents the child with a fixed set of numbers. They are in order from 0 to 9 as a control of error. This time, the quantity of objects is what is loose. When all of the spindles are in their place, you can point to the empty slot and say, "Look, there's nothing here." We call that 0. 4. The number cards and counters. After a child has had many opportunities to practice using the previously discussed materials, they are introduced to a progressively more challenging activity. Now, both the number cards and counters are loose, and the child must sequence the number symbols and match the correct quantity of counters. This material serves a secondary purpose of pointing out even and odd in a visual way. 5. The golden beads. Once a child can fluently count to 10 and understands number symbols and their matching quantities, they can move on to understanding our base 10 number system in a concrete, hands-on way. This is where the infamous golden beads come in, and where a child has the potential to learn concepts many years ahead of what might be taught in a traditional preschool. It turns out that Dr. Montessori did not believe we should shy away from introducing young children to large numbers. That is why the golden beads, which come in increments of 1, 10, 100, and 1000, are an essential part of a Montessori math program for 3 to 6-year-old children. The golden beads can be used to teach children to count up to 9,999, to add, subtract, and even multiply and divide numbers in the thousands. The golden beads are a material that will get lots of use. 6. Number cards. The number cards are intentionally color-coded to help build an awareness of place value. They are first introduced in isolation, and then they are used with the golden beads. Check out the links in the description below for a downloadable version of the number cards. 7. Colored bead bars. I absolutely love this Montessori math material. Like the golden beads, it will get lots of use due to the great number of Montessori math lessons that use them throughout the years. The bead bars can be used to teach counting, addition, multiplication, as well as advanced math. They are tactile and concrete. What I love about them are the brilliance of their design. They are consistently color-coded, strung together in a fixed quantity, and come in a little wooden box that partitions and organizes them by number. My Type A brain is in heaven. 8. Teen and Tens boards. This tool has a simple, yet effective design. The child is shown how to cover part of a 2-digit number with another little number card on it, allowing them to see how the teen numbers are built. They then repeat this process with the tens, allowing them to systematically count to 100 before they can even write. The golden beads and colored bead bars are also used with this tool. 9. 100 board. This tool consists of a framed grid and 100 loose number chips. Children place them in order on the board. The board comes with a control chart that shows the correct order, so children can check their work independently. The 100 board can also be used to show patterns in the counting system. 10. Chain of 100 and 1000. This material consists of 10 golden bead bars all strung together in a chain. The child stretches it out and places little numbered tickets at increments of 10 until they get to 100. When they repeat the process with the chain of 1000, they get a memorable visual comparison of how much 100 is compared to 1000. Besides being beautiful, Montessori math materials were designed to captivate the imagination, and this material certainly can do that. I'm so happy that you stuck around until the end. Here's your bonus: Montessori is all about order, beauty, and choice, so no Montessori math program is complete without a set of low shelves where all of the materials can be displayed, organized, and available for use. I love hearing from you. Please leave a comment below telling me what types of Montessori math videos you would like to see. Check out the links in the description below for printable versions of many of the Montessori math materials described in this video. Please like and subscribe to help spread the Montessori magic.